I'd like to let you know about an event hosted by University of Missouri Extension and the Missouri Agriculture, Food, and Forestry Innovation Center. This event will focus on increasing revenue for small farms with value-added production. If you're a small farm or food business looking to create ready-to-eat, shelf-stable, ready-to-cook, or frozen products, this is the workshop for you. This event will be held Saturday, February 17th in St. Peters, Missouri. Our keynote speaker will be James Leake of Pat and Rachel's Garden. He will be talking about his 4-year journey with value-added production on his farm. This event will be a great opportunity to learn from successful value-added producers, as well as network with other growers and small food businesses in the metro area. We will talk about things like what products have worked for other producers. What can you make and what can you sell? We will detail regulations and food safety and also provide information about finding sales prices, marketing, and business planning to make your business and your products a success. The registration fee is $25 and will include lunch and snacks from local vendors and food businesses. The deadline to register is 5 p.m. on February 14th. You can register at the link below in the YouTube video description or call this number for more details.